everyone, it's Chris down at Boston Harley. Got another bike we just finished up. It's going to rest up here for winter storage, but we did some accessories to it. One of my new favorite accessories, the adaptive headlight. Right now I got the bike in accessory mode, but once you turn that bike on, light up that road. It's actually, so it has an adaptive feature where you lean into the corners, more lights will turn on, and as you go into the other corner, same thing. Tried doing a demo, but we want to be safe here, so you have to take my word for it. But it's awesome. You can also see, look at the LED turn signals there, the halo rings from Custom Dynamics. Also, we did some highway pegs. These are the stage 1 high flow air cleaner with the tuner, some Reinhardt mufflers. I'll fire that up for a second, then I'm going to shut that off and then turn up the tunes. So we did the boom 2 on this bad Larry. Did the rear on the back there too. Also Custom Dynamics. Got this awesome boom 2 set up. Just the fairing speakers and the amp. That's boom 2. So we got the tweeters and the mid ranges in there. So you can really crank it up.
Nobody's right if everybody's wrong. Young people speaking their minds are getting so much resistance.
Alright guys, hopefully it's not too long of a winter, but if you need anything, any winter projects, let us know. Give us a call, 617-389-8888. Thanks a lot. Have a great night.